Hi my dear friends, students and each and everyone who are seeing this video. We are doing chapter 1 number system of class 9. This is an exercise 1.2. In this the main thing is how to locate an irrational number on a number line. Now let's see. Root 2. We have to represent this on number line. Before going to this, we have to know about Pythagoras theorem, which I have already read in previous classes. Let's see what says preview. Pythagoras theorem is said that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. So perpendicular square plus base square. Or we can say that h is equal to p square plus b square under root. So now root 2 we can represent it 1 square plus 1 square. It means base will be 1 and hypotenuse will be, perpendicular will be 1. Now see, 1 means base, 1 means perpendicular. This is an hypotenuse. So now let's say 1, this is a 1, this is our base. Now we have to draw perpendicular on it. Let's see this one. So this is length is already 1 from this point to this point. Now draw hypotenuse. This is a base 1. This is a perpendicular. This is also 1. So this is as per Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse length of root 2. Now from this point to this point draw an arc. Just take compass, open it and draw it. It will become at here, this arc. It means this point represent root 2. And root, we know the root value of root 2 1.414 and so on. So this point is root 2. Now we will take another example. Now we will locate root 3. Root 3 on number line. How can we represent? Root 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. Root 3 root 2 square plus 1 square. Now again see, just see root 2, it come at here also. Root 2. So 1 base is equal to 1. Perpendicular is also 1. So this hypotenuse represent our root 2. Now there are two steps. One we have finished already. Now see. Now this root 2 will become our base. Now we will do from this point we will do one more line of 1. This is our perpendicular. Root 2 plus 1. Root 2 square plus 1 square. Now this line will become our root 3. This is a root 3. Root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root 3. So open an arc, compass from this to this point and draw this one. So this point will be root 3 and the value of root 1.732. It can be verified by magnifying glass for further. So I am repeating again, we have to find out root 3 on number line. We have to locate it on number line. So by Pythagoras theorem, it will be root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root 3. So base is equal to 1, perpendicular to 1. So first of all we have to draw hypotenuse root 2. In next step, this will become an base and draw one more line at here, which is equal to 1. This is will be 1 perpendicular. And now at this 2 point, and this will become hypotenuse, and length of this line is root 3. Root 3 means now this point from to this point, open a compass and draw this line. And this this line will be, this arc will be met at number line on the which point, this point will be root 3. So dear friends, I am giving a question to all of you. Now represent root 5 on number line. So this is a question. Okay, make video and send me. Otherwise in next session I will explain how root 5 will be located on number line. Friends, if you like this video or if this video is helpful to you, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much friends.